Hello, hello, hello. We're back. Happy Easter weekend. Excuse me. Happy Easter weekend. Today, we're going to have a fun one. I think it's going to be fun. Uh, from the Bits and Giggles website, we're going to make an Easter trifle. Yeah, that's what I said, an Easter trifle. So to start, because I got to use up some cake mixes, guys. We're going to start at 350. Preheat. Okie dokie. So I thought I had two white. So today we're doing French vanilla and white. I hope this bowl's big enough. This one says water, the white one, and the French vanilla says milk or water. Huh. Huh. 3/4 cups of water. Okay. Doesn't say what type. I have 1%. Milk. 1/4 cup vegetable oil. That's weird. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So 3/4. Okay. Okay, what else? And we have 3 eggs in the French vanilla. And this one's 4 egg whites or 3 eggs. So we're just going to do 6 eggs. Unos. Deuce. Trays. Oh, that one looked nice. 14. Uh, 5. Sixo. Lock her up. We're going to start slow because I tend to go. I need 4. Divide this evenly by 4. All right, split this in 4. Oven's ready. Okay. I'm going to add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we get a purple layer out of that. Just you guys can see this a bit. Okay, a few more. Add 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that was 4. I see why. It's 2 blue drops and a red. And more purple. That's what this does. Whoa, that got fancy fast. Got a 6. Not bad. I'm gonna add a couple more. Oh, that's yellow. Whoop. One blue. Shit. It's like razzmatazz. 3 red. Whoop. Shit. 2 green. What color do I want here? Blue. Oh yeah, that's good. 5 pink. Oh, okay, that works. A little more. So that was actually 10 pink. You're not sure? Always ask Pam. It's a pink, green, so just while I'm doing this, I'll explain the process here. Green, it's colorful. We're going to cook each layer, and then we're obviously, and then we're going to crumble the cake and place it in layers between some layers of cream cheese and cream. I don't know. Like I always had like an English trifle, which was cake and or angel cake and Jello custard base. I was thinking about custard to put in this, like it's missing, but I'm gonna go by the recipe. Purple, yellow. 2 blue, green, turquoise. Let's call it turquoise. pink. That's 4. This is the pink one. I hope. Okay. Yellow. Iffy about the purple, but we'll see. And the green come out good. So we're going to let them cool before we 250 grams cream cheese, 300 milliliters. I have sweetened condensed milk. Wow. Yummy. You got a toothache just watching this. Cool Whip. Okay. Green. I'm going to break it up with my hands. Oh, that's really green. Ooh. Cool them off a bit. I'm just going to break them up a little bit right now. That one come out nice. Where's that purple? I really couldn't tell you right now. Last one. Please be a different color. Please not be the same. Please don't be the same. I think this is pink. Well, this is purple. So we'll just separate them. I gotta show you this sink right now. Whew. Can this sink get any fuller? There's our colors. They're green. I think that's purple, yellow, and pink. So they're different a little bit. So I was trying to figure out, obviously I'm not going to eat all this, but I thought I could freeze them. So how could I freeze it? Then I thought I'll buy those little bowls we used already because you have to layer this. And then I thought, no. And then I thought, mason jars. And you could see it. We'll level it up. So I'm going to do a couple in the mason jars. Let's go. Need. You know what I was thinking though, aren't you? Such a small area. No, no, no. Pushes it out that way. Okay. That's kind of colorful if I hadn't done it right. Hmm. Yeah. I don't know. So the jar actually worked out looking better than. So I would think it would have to sit overnight in the fridge. It would be better, but time constraints. We're going to try it. So Easter rainbow trifle. Happy Easter. Try it, and if you succeed better than me, send me a note. Okay. Let's get a bit of that cheese in there. Actually tastes good. Presentation sucked. The presentation was horrible. And but we're here to fail. Well, we're not really here to fail, but we fail. Desserts seem to get me. I'm pretty good with the meals, but dessert I think needs more, not prep, but gentler approach. That's what it is. I don't know. But anyway, that was the Easter Rainbow Trifle. Bits and Giggles website. Check it out. So that's it for today. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment. Comments go a long way, and so does subscribing. So if you do that for us, it'd be awesome. So yeah, for now, we'll see you later, and I think there will be something midweek next week to start the week, or might not be, but I think there will be. So look for that. Anyway, take care. We'll happy Easter, and we'll see you soon.